Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that it's turned on or enabled in your PC and the hotkey that you can quickly use to access it whenever you need to. Right? So all you have to do is just simple right click on your Windows icon on your taskbar on Windows and go to settings. And once you're in the settings, guys, you want to just head over to system on the left hand side and scroll down in this section and you will find clipboard. Now it's important that when you click on that, the clipboard is turned on. So just go ahead and click this to toggle it on, and that is pretty much what you need. And as you can see from the description here, it's going to allow you to quickly press the Windows plus V to quickly access it, and I'm going to show you in a quick test as well. So what you're able to do with clipboard is it allows you to really cut, copy, and sync and clear and see your history. So whatever you want to copy, you can quickly do that. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just quickly go ahead and open up my browser here. For example, I have something that I was doing previously, and if you want to quickly access clipboard, let's say you want to store the link or you want to copy the title, press Windows and V on your keyboard, V for Victor. It's going to quickly open the clipboard and have a look at that. You can see that it copied here, and you can easily, like, for example, copy something. For example, Control C, let's say you did it, press Windows and V again, and you can see that it's copied. And that's it, guys. Now you have a lot that you can actually do right here, guys. You can just copy, you can see emojis, you can see gifs, you can see all of those good stuff, right, that you want to play around with. So much, you can go ahead and you can use these things as you wish. Check it out, guys. I think you'll find it useful. And yeah, that's how you basically use clipboard in Windows, guys. Super easy. If you want to even just quickly access it, you don't even have to use it to save anything. If you just want to quickly access some GIFs and you want to use them, just simple go ahead and find it, and you can just copy it in whatever you want. And as you can see, I can even view some of these things as well. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.